So, Keeman, how long have you been in the restaurant?
This is my first restaurant. So I've been in, my family was in the restaurant business, and I grew up working in the restaurants that my grandparents and parents owned. But this is my first restaurant, my first opened in October. Yeah.
Very good. And so, would you spend a lot of time in kitchens and around kitchen exhausts?
Yeah, you could say that.
There you go, yes. A bunch of time in the kitchen, and how would you say the sound level is on this being able to put that you have now?
It's a lot quieter than I expected it to be. I was concerned about the open kitchen concept that was proposed by our kitchen designer. And so as you can see, the dining room is in the same area where then there's no wall between the dining room and the kitchen. And so the kitchen becomes a showcase for our diners. And it's been a plus because it adds a lot of energy to the dining room. And these days, a lot of diners are very curious about how the food is made, and they like to watch the chefs do their wok cooking and see the flames shoot out of the pan.
Right, right. So in the past, this has been a traditional, but that may have been too loud. Overwhelming, perhaps?
Oh, yeah. And also with the staff, too, for them to communicate, they'd be screaming on top of, that noise just to communicate with each other. So it's nice that there are these advances that have been made in the last little while so that we can feature this open kitchen as part of the decor or the guest experience.
The hood becomes more of the background, unnoticeable to the picture.
I haven't had any comments about it at all.
Very good. How about from the maintenance or cleaning point of view? Have there been any issues with caring for the hood?
Well, it's always nice to have new equipment.
Yes.
And it's nicely set up so that there aren't a lot of nooks and crannies to go around. So it's been relatively straightforward and easy to clean.
Anything you would like to see changed about the hood?
Well, I'm sure that you're always working on making it sleeker and more modern. The industrial look, and it's very sleek right now, but the industrial look is very much in keeping with sort of the vibe that we wanted to create in this restaurant. So, yeah, it just fits right in.
How long have you been in the restaurant business?
About 12 years.
About 12 years? So you worked with a lot of kitchen hoods.
Yeah, quite a few.
How would you describe this one as far as sound?
The sound's relatively quiet. I've worked in a lot of expensive kitchens that have been noisy, and this one is probably the most quiet that I've been as far as open kitchens are